my project. This would be a chick. How come it doesn't look much like a chick? This would be the bottom of the chick. This would be the top. Yes. This is where the chick sits.
Will you show me?
We might not be able to get the feet on there.
But it just might sit. Show me inside of the...
Here.
Okay.
Look, here's what it's a work in progress. Here's what I've been through so far. And what I'm working on right now is another pillar. Well, that's all for today, folks. See you next time. This is Tweety, our finished project. Say hi to Tweety. You want to see her fly?
Yeah. Hey, make her land over there in her box. Good night.